Hello and welcome to this video, which is not as much about Emisuke Audio DAC 4399 October, or maybe Octal, I don't know, because 4399 is a AK DACs that it uses 4 of them there, and also it has those field programmable controllers that, you know, the same story as in Vardias and Levinson Krells. You know, before the signal gets to the DAC, they do some number crunching, and you get the similar thing, you know, superb stereo, resolution, beautiful bass, stuff like that. But anyway, I've talked about it before, how good that DAC is. But what I talked about today is the shameless plug for this company in Poland called PowerUC Electronics. And the reason I'm so grateful that they exist is that the first time when this thing failed, it was right channel didn't work, and it was open circuit 18-volt transformer. It's 18 volts and 3.5 VA each winding. So I just bought it and it worked. And when I got it years later, it is the left channel didn't work and the second transformer went. And this is the original one, which I could not source. So I went and ordered RS, but that part number that's there, it's no longer valid. They say, oh, we have a replacement. As a replacement, this thing arrived. And as you see, it's not 3.5 VA, it's 5 VA. And of course, it's bigger, so it won't fit. So radio spares shouldn't really say that they have a replacement. So the hunt was on. I could not find anywhere. You could plenty of 5, 10, 12, 15 volts, 25 or 24 volts, but not 18. So I found on AliExpress this Chinese company YHDC. But when I tried to buy it, they just wouldn't sell it. They just wouldn't communicate. They couldn't order, you know, it was just all too hard. So I searched for that transformer, and I found that these people in Poland are their representative, and they do reply to emails, and you can order it, and they have all of it in stock, you know, in any shape and size. And actually, if you see, it's PowerUC Electronics PL is actually on that transformer, so it's making for them. So that's what I want to say, you know, if you want a transformer and you cannot find it, they got everything, and actually get up for business, and they want to sell stuff. So that's all, and when I finished that, and it was all nice, and I turned it on, and the left channel was still buzzing like hell. So what I found out is that this socket somehow failed. I mean, you could not put a plug in it properly. You know, the center pin will go in, but not as far as for the ground to mate. So I had to replace it. There's a new one there. And would you know, from all the sockets, RCA sockets that are in the world, what I had in stock in my workshop was what Emisuke Audio in Japan were using. So it's lucky that the owner's gonna get, you know, like original socket. Well, enough of my ranting, but I really had to vent my frustration at this thing. Oh, thank you very much. Until the next one. Bye-bye.